Hello fellow creators, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Hope you're doing well. So as you can see from the title of this video is on how to sew this beautiful headband. I'm so obsessed. I really love how it came out. And it's so cute. So it's a set with this dress that I'm wearing right here. The tutorial on how to sew this dress is up here, so I'm just going to link it up there so that you could just go check it out. So yeah, thank you so much for watching this video. If you like this video, make sure that you like this video, make sure that you comment down below if you like this dress, and also make sure that you subscribe. Okay, subscribe so that I don't let people work with my content. Okay, so yeah, thank you so much for watching. I'm going to leave timestamps down below as usual, so that if you're looking for anything in particular, then you can just go check that out. So without further ado, let's just get straight into the video. Alright, so these are the dimensions of material that you're going to need to go and cut out before you actually start this tutorial, so that you already have them on ground and you don't have to start cutting and sewing and cutting and sewing. But there's a slight difference in the elastic casing for this sewing project that I made. For this elastic casing that we have, that I'm using two fabrics, as you would see, because of the dress that I made. It has organza and it has this Ankara fabric, so I wanted to incorporate the two fabrics at the back, so that's why I did it like that. But if you're just working with normal Ankara, all you just need is 3 inches. The length should be 3 inches and the width should be 18 inches. Okay, so because I was working with organza, and organza is quite see-through, and because we're working with elastic, I didn't want a situation whereby I'll just fold it and the organza is going to be showing out, and the elastic is going to be showing out. And I also wanted to have that organza effect there. So what I just went ahead to do was that I just made the organza longer than the actual Ankara, so that I'll be able to have 2 layers at the front and at the back. So as you would see, my elastic casing for the Ankara, it was 2 inches by 18 inches, while the organza one was 4 inches by 18 inches. Okay, so that's just that for that. But if you're not doing this style and you're just working with normal fabric, then you're just supposed to make it 3 inches. Okay, so what I just want to do now is you're just going to go ahead to just fold the organza into 2, right, and then place it right on top of the Ankara and just sew at the top and at the bottom. Okay, and we are arranging it like this so that when we turn it over, it's going to come out like this. We're going to have the organza on each side of the Ankara. Okay, so once you sew it at the top and at the bottom, all you're going to do now is that you're just going to take 1 layer of the organza, just 1 layer. Okay, not the 2 layers, just 1 layer. You put your safety pin through it, and then you're going to pass the safety pin through that hole. Okay, so that is what is going to enable you to be able to get the organza on both sides of the strap. So as I said before, this is only if you're working with 2 types of fabric, but if you're not working with 2 types of fabric, all you just have to do is just cut out the elastic casing that is 3 inches by 18 inches, and then just put it together and just put it together with the right sides facing each other, and just sew straight and just turn it over, and you have your strap. But because I wanted to have that effect of the organza on both sides of the strap, that's why I went ahead to do this. So if you're working with 2 fabrics like mine, just do this. It's really nice, and it just creates that nice effect, as you can see. So as you would see, I wanted it to be small, but you want to keep it in mind. If you're working with big elastic, then you want it to be big, and if you're working small elastic, you want it to be small. Okay, so then after that, you want to go ahead to get the actual headband piece, and what you're just going to do is you're just going to fold it with the right sides facing each other. Okay, you're going to sew it all the way from the top and all the way down to the bottom till you get to the bottom. Then after that, you're going to turn it over to the right side so that the wrong side is concealed. Then you're going to take your headband casing, which is supposed to be 2 inches by 15 inches, and then you're just going to take your safety pin and just pass it through the headband casing like so, because that is what we're going to be using to scrunch up the headband piece. And then you're just going to take the headband casing, and you're just going to ensure that that seam part is in the middle. This is just to make it look more neater and professional. So you're just going to make sure that that is in the middle. Then once you do that, you're going to put in the headband casing inside the headband piece like so. Okay, so you're just going to fidget it and fidget it until you can get the other edge of the headband casing. And then once you get the other edge of the headband casing, you're just going to go ahead to just pin that down to the headband
piece like so. Okay, so you're going to remove that pin, and then you're just going to, you know, maneuver your way until, you know, you put the headband casing like so, and then just pin it down. Okay, so what we're going to be doing is that we're going to be sewing and tacking these two pieces together. And the reason why we're going to be doing this is because that is what is going to enable us to be able to get that scrunchy effect, that, you know, ruffle effect that we have. It's this headband casing, because the headband casing is significantly shorter than the actual headband piece. So because we're going to be joining these two pieces together, that is what is going to enable the headband piece to scrunch up together, so that it will be able to be the same length as the headband casing. I hope you understand that logic. Okay, so now what I just want to do is I just want to sew all the way down like so, as you can see that I'm doing. And then once you do that, you're just going to go ahead to just, you know, get the other part of the headband casing, the other edge. So just try to feel your hand for the safety pin, and then just, you know, fidget it and fidget it and fidget it onto the safety pin at the other edge comes out of the headband casing. And then you just want to go ahead to just, you know, connect it to the middle part of the headband piece like we did for the other edge. Just connect it, pin it down, and just sew it all the way down. And voila, see how beautiful it looks. See this scrunchy vibe, so amazing. I'm so in love, and it's really easy to make. Like, see how easy that was to make. You know, if you don't know how to do it, it's going to be looking like rocket science. How did they do it? Did they use like elastic? But now it's just like as simple as that. So yeah, that's just that for that. So you just want to like allow that part to show, those same parts to show, because that's where we're going to be attaching the elastics to make it like an actual headband. Okay, so then after that, since we've already done our headband case, our elastic casing, we're just going to put our elastic into the casing. So as I said earlier, we're going to be working with 6 inches for this. I went ahead to just change it into a small elastic, because the big elastic was just looking too big, and I didn't want to like make it look somehow. But it depends on you, it depends on the vibe you're going for. So if you want if you want that big elastic effect, then you're just going to go ahead to just, you know, make the elastic casing wider, maybe like 5 inches. So as you would see, I just put the safety pin through the elastic, and then I'm just passing it through the same way I did for the headband casing. So you just want to pass it through until the other edge of the elastic is almost into the casing like so. And then this one is almost entered, everything almost entered, so I just have to like, you know, just like bring it out quickly. But yeah, so once you notice that, you know, it's almost like inside the casing, you're just going to go ahead to just tag that part to just secure the elastics. And then once you do that, you're just going to feel for the safety pin, and then you're just going to pass it through. So you're just going to be passing it through and passing it through and passing it through until it comes out of the other end, and then you're just going to tag the other end as well. Okay, so now we have our elastic band, and as you can see, it's really nice. The elastic is not showing, it's only the organza and the akara that is showing. So yeah, that's just the effect. So if you're working with two fabrics and you want to know how, you know, you can achieve this without the elastic showing and it just looking very neat, then yeah, just follow that process and you get it. Okay, so then in order for you to attach the elastic, what you just want to do is I just want to place the elastic on the headband casing, on the headband piece like so, and then you're just going to sandwich it inwards. Okay, so you're going to fold it, place it at the middle. Okay, align it with the middle seam there, and then you're just going to fold the left side over the elastic and fold the right side over to the elastic, and then you're just going to tack it there like so. Okay, and then you're going to do the exact same thing for the other side as well. So as you can see, this is what it's looking like. I just tacked it and I made sure that, you know, I made like multiple stitches there so that it's just like secured and nothing is going to like pop out or anything like that. Then after that, I just want to remove the pins and turn it over. So once you turn it over, voila, you have your what? You have your headband. So it's really easy, and because of the way we, you know, sandwiched it, you can see that the raw edges aren't showing, the raw edges are concealed. So yeah, that's just that for that. I just want to do the exact same thing for the other side as well. And that is basically it. Like, see how easy and straightforward it is to make this headband, especially if you're not working with the fabrics for this. It's so easy, so straightforward. It's something that you can make in such little time. So yeah, that's just that for that. Thank you so much for watching. Alright, so that is it for this tutorial. I hope it was easy for you to follow. If you have any questions regarding anything at all, then you just leave a comment down below and I will reply you. And also make sure that you comment down below if you're going to recreate the dress, so that I know that, you know, someone, oh, did I just say dress? Sorry, headband. Yes, so just comment down below if you're going to recreate the headband, so that I know that, yeah, someone is, you know, using my content and all of that. So yeah, thank you so much for watching. I have a catalog of different things that you could get inspired by, so just go check that out. So yeah, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.